What's up guys, we're back to another video. Today is the 4th of July, so yeah, I'm in the house. Look at the fireworks. First, I'm gonna go close the door, guys. Sorry about that. Alright, guys. Alright. Some more fireworks. Let's walk up a little closer.
Dude, you didn't see the one right there. It was TNT fireworks.
¿Verdad que sí? Porque son muchos. Si está así por San Bernardino, a ese donde está el center, algo así. Mira, ventana de esta ropa.
Eso de ser allá.
Por eso te digo que por allá. Porque mira cómo bonito. Mira, todo sigue.
There's the helicopter in the air, and it's gonna try to get the cops, not these people's tail. Oh God! Missing gizzards. Okay. Oh God! Yeah, it's nice. This is the ones with the, I believe, with the freaking thing. Oh God! What are you supposed to look? Can't see that because it's the freaking tree in the way, and alright guys, that's will be it for now. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Goodbye.